Amid a frightening surge of Covid and Omicron cases in the national capital, hundreds of healthcare workers, including doctors, have contracted the coronavirus. And this is causing strain to an already overburdened healthcare system. Now, these doctors include at least 300 at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, 80 in the Safdarjung Hospital, and several others across Delhi's big government and private hospitals. Sonakshi gets us the details.
At a time when there is a frightening surge in the number of COVID cases and the new variant Omicron, several and hundreds of healthcare workers contracting the virus and self-isolating themselves. This news comes at a time when Delhi is reporting a huge spike in COVID cases and Omicron cases. We are learning and picking up from our sources that at least 300 doctors plus resident doctors at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences have contracted this virus. We're also learning across several hospitals in the national capital, healthcare workers, including doctors, have contracted this virus. At least 80 of them in Safdarjung Hospital, at least 15 in LNJP, and several other hospitals that we have been learning from our sources. But we're also learning and made to understand that these cases, most of them are mild and asymptomatic, and that as a first step of precaution, everybody is self-isolating themselves at this time. But this news is also adding to the distress and deeply worrying because of the spread of the new variant, which is very fast. Omicron is spreading really fast in the country, and that many number of doctors and healthcare workers at the moment not inside hospital wards but currently isolating themselves. We spoke to directors of hospitals, we also spoke to doctors themselves who have tested positive, and they all seem to suggest that this virus is real, this virus is spreading faster than before. But this is also extremely worrying, also at a time when the healthcare infrastructure is now beginning to see a pressure build on them with the rise in the number of COVID cases and the new variant Omicron. In Delhi with Pawan Kumar, Sonakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.